Hi kids, welcome back. Today we will learn capital ABC from N to Z with colors. Orange color, red color, purple color, green color, yellow color, pink color and blue color. Let's start. Orange color, N, purple color, O, pink color, P, yellow color, Q, red color, R, green color, S, blue color, T, orange color, U, purple color, V, red color, W, yellow color, X, pink color, Y, blue color, Z. So we have learned capital ABC from N to Z. Bye bye children. Merry Christmas.